In a Mumbai city, the Sharma family, Ravi, Priya, and their two children, prepared for their monthly grocery shopping. Class family, they always sought to manage their expenses wisely. On a Saturday morning, Priya sat down with her laptop and grocery list. She logged into several popular online shopping apps, each with its own set of deals and discounts. One app offered a flat 10 off on all items. Another provided 5% cashback on purchases over 2,000, and third had a buy 1% get one free promotion. And a fourth offered additional discounts for payments made with a specific credit card. Priya compared the prices of the same products across these platforms. A pack of rice was priced at 500 on one app, but only 450 on another. These small differences added up as she reviewed the entire shopping list. Next, Priya focused on the credit card deals. One card provided 5 off on groceries, while another had a special tie up with one of the shopping apps offering an extra 10 discount. Priya chose the app with the best prices and used the credit card that gave the highest discount percent. She entered her shopping list, applied the promotional codes, and selected the credit card for payment. The final amount was almost 8,000 less than their usual grocery bill percent. Ravi, initially skeptical of Priya's detailed approach, was impressed with the savings. Priya smiled and said, "It's all about being smart and informed. Every little saving helps." The Sharma family enjoyed their groceries and the satisfaction of having saved money. They learned a valuable lesson. With a bit of research and smart use of resources, they could significantly reduce their expenses. For more financial tips, they decided to subscribe to Financial Therapy.